Understanding empathy, the key to making genuine friends. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today we're diving into a very important topic in the Making Friends section. We're going to be talking about showing empathy. Empathy is a crucial part of any successful friendship. It's how we connect with others and understand their feelings. So, let's dive right in. Empathy, in simple terms, is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. It is like stepping into someone else's shoes and seeing the world from their perspective. In friendships, empathy helps us connect on a deeper level. Now, let's learn some vocabulary and phrases related to empathy. Here are some words and phrases that we often use when showing empathy in English. 1. I understand how you feel. 2. That must be tough. 3. I'm here for you. 4. You're not alone. And some vocabulary words. 1. Sympathize. 2. Compassionate. 3. Understand. 4. Supportive. Remember, using these phrases and words appropriately in a conversation shows your empathetic side. Now that we know some empathetic words and phrases, let's see how we can use them in our everyday conversations. Here are some examples. When a friend is upset because they failed a test, you might say, I understand how you feel. Tests can be really stressful. If a friend is going through a tough time, you could say, that must be really tough. Just remember, I'm here for you. Notice how these phrases don't just acknowledge what the other person is going through. They also offer support and understanding. Responding with empathy is not just about using the right words. It also involves active listening and responding in a way that validates the other person's feelings. For example, friend, I've been really stressed about work lately. You, that sounds difficult. I understand why you'd be stressed. Is there anything I can do to help? Here, you're not just sympathizing, but also offering assistance, which is a key part of empathetic response. So, that's all about showing empathy, the secret sauce to making genuine friendships. Remember, the goal of empathy is to understand others. And when we understand others, we form stronger, deeper relationships. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey to become more empathetic in English. See you in our next video, where we continue our journey on mastering the art of making friends in English.